Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your SamCart course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into your SamCart course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that by having video, it gives your course much more perceived value. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a video into one of your courses, you're on the left side, you're going to click on apps. Once you click on apps, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click on course platforms. Once you do that, look for the SamCart course icon right here. Once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you're selling in SamCart. So just choose the course you want to add a video to. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 6 options here at the top, and you want to click here on units and lessons. All right, once you're there, you want to go ahead and scroll down. Now you can see this is set up into units, which are kind of like chapters, and then in each unit there's lessons. So first you want to choose the unit that you're going to add a video into. So this is talking about Chinese food, this one's talking about Mexican food. So let's say that maybe we want to add a video into our tacos lesson. Off to the right here, you're going to click on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, you're going to scroll down until you see content builder. Okay, so here in the content builder, you can go ahead and add content by clicking on this blue button right here. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click here add video. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this section pop up right here. So here is where you can go ahead and add a video to your SamCart course. So there's actually 2 different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is you can click right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and paste in a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, a Wistia link. So basically the video is going to be hosted on YouTube, Wistia, or Vimeo. And the cool thing about this is it doesn't necessarily need to be your video. It can be any video as long as it has a public share link. The other way you can do this is you can upload directly into SamCart. So they'll host the video for you. And how you do that is you click here, select upload video, and you're going to grab a video. They do let you know it needs to be 4 gigabytes or less. Also MP4, MOV, MPG, AVI, or WebM. So let me grab a video. Okay, I grabbed a video and it's uploading right now. Okay, a quick second later, the video is added right here, and you can go and add a title, a description if you want, and then you want to click on insert video. Okay, now you can see we've added a video into our SamCart course. So let me scroll down. Okay, so here is the video. You're not quite finished until you scroll up here to the top right and click on save. Okay, now it's saved. So now anybody who ends up on this particular lesson in my SamCart course will be able to open it up and see this video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video to your SamCart course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.